do your research on getting some that are, at least for a limited time, have good components in there, or good nutrients. I forget that I'm doing this live. I'm so used to recording and then just like deleting it. So I don't even know if I'll get to editing this recording. So bear with me as I navigate through these modern technology. So, and I usually do pat myself on the back for staying current, because I grew up with computers, and I'm no newbie when it comes to technology. It's just that it's always evolving with these apps. The apps really do a lot of different things to edit and make the visual seem, much more pleasant, less M's and ha's and who's and pauses. So this will just be like completely off the cuff. And I was thinking about doing it because I started getting ready for my